Factor completely. 15 times y to the fourth, 26 y cubed, 7y squared. So the first thing we notice is that we have a y in each term. So the first thing we can do is factor out our y by finding our greatest common factor, which is the variable with the smallest exponent, which in this case is y squared. So here we have 15 y to the fourth plus 26 y cubed plus 7y squared. So we're going to factor out a y squared from each of these terms. So when we do that, we get y squared times 15 times the y squared is y to the fourth plus 26y, y times the y squared is y cubed, plus 7. So now here, we're going to factor this out using our trial and error. So here, since we're dealing with a variable squared, the first thing we're going to do is draw our two parentheses and write y in each of our first terms. So now here we have 15. We could either write 15 in our first term or a multiple of 15, which could be 5 and 3. So now what we want to do is find our multiple of our last term. So that's either 7 times 1 or negative 7 times negative 1. So now we're going to try different forms of these. So we have 5y plus 7 times 3y plus 1. And then we have 5y plus 1 times 3y plus 7. We can also have 5y minus 7 times 3y minus 1, or 5y minus 1 times 3y minus 7. So now we're going to add up our first and last terms, which should equal our middle term of 26y cubed. So when we do that, we get 5y plus 21y equals 26y. So 7 and 1 are our multiples. So we can write that in here. 7 and 1. So we're going to bring down our y squared, and here's our answer. Y squared times 5y plus 7 times 3y plus 1.